Hello, my name is Yong-Suk Kim, CEO of Dr.Friend. Sleep is the only time the human body truly restores itself. Yet today, 35% of the global population suffers from sleep disorders, leading to hypertension, diabetes, and dementia, ultimately shortening life expectancy. Dr.Friend restores the body's electrical balance through grounding sleep care using the natural principles of the earth, not drugs or electricity. Proving in our SCL level studies, it reduces inflammation, relieves stress, and improves sleep quality. The global sleep market will reach $54 billion by 2030. Dr.Friend is scaling beyond the US and Australia into Europe and the Middle East while developing an AI-powered sleep coaching app. Enhancing human recovery through nature-based sleep without drugs or electricity. True recovery is something AI can never replace. The answer lies in sleep, and the journey begins with Dr.Friend. Thank you.